Hello students, how are you all? Well, today we will talk about another important chapter from English Literature Class 5, and the name of the chapter is Crusoe's Friend. Crusoe was a sailor and his full name was Robinson Crusoe. Well, this chapter is just an extract from the book Robinson Crusoe written by Daniel Defoe. Crusoe finds himself on an island after a shipwreck. He spends many years all alone on that island. In this chapter, we will study how one day he saves the life of a local tribesman who later on becomes his devoted companion, and how together they plan to leave the island. So let me tell you the story of the chapter. One day, Crusoe takes Friday to his cave, and this name Friday is given by Robinson Crusoe to his friend only since they both meet on Friday. And Crusoe also gives him some bread, a bunch of raisins, and a cup of water. He also tells him to lie down and sleep on some rice straw with a blanket. Later on, he gives him a pair of goatskin trousers, a goatskin coat, and a cap made of hare skin. However, initially he wishes to keep himself safe from Friday, so he makes a tent for him in the space between the two fences, which opens by a door into his yard. The door is made to lock from the inside so that Friday cannot reach him. After a while, Friday learns to speak in English so well that they two talk to each other about anything that they wish for. Crusoe also tells him how he happens to be on the island and how long he has been staying there and how hard it was for him to stay there. Later on, he also teaches him how to plant and harvest wheat and rice and how to make baskets and dishes. He also teaches him to milk the goats every morning and evening and make butter and cheese out of that. One day he takes Friday to see the boats that he had made. He points out to the first one, and Friday says that he thinks that the boat was too small. Though Friday liked the size of the larger boat, but the larger one, was cracked and rotten. And then they two decide to make a new boat. So Friday picks out a good tree, for he knows much more about the trees on the island than Crusoe did. And in about a month, the boat is ready, and a fine vessel as well. However, Crusoe doesn't intend to start out in the boat as it is, so he finds some tough and strong wood and tells Friday to shape it for him, which makes the mast of the boat. Now, the next thing that they need to do is to make a sail. They look for all the things to make the sails, and finally they find two large pieces. It takes about 2 months to get the mast and sail ready. The next piece of work is the making of a rudder, which Crusoe fastens to the stern of the vessel. When the boat is all ready, Crusoe teaches Friday how to use the rudder, and eventually he becomes a good sailor. The two wait for good weather since it was autumn season and they had to wait for good weather. Then Crusoe tells Friday how he had been staying on the island for the last 26 years, and he also tells him that he keeps that anniversary with a grateful heart. However, he tells Friday that the last 3 years had been the happiest days of his life, for Friday had been really a faithful and true friend. Now, Crusoe just wants to keep the boat safe from the storms, and so Friday covers it so thickly with the boughs of trees that the rain can scarcely get through it at all. Then the two wait for November and December, at which time they intend to start on their voyage. So this is all about the chapter Crusoe's Friend. Thank you so much.